Hey everybody, my sister's getting eggs for our egg coloring for Easter. So when my sister gets back, we're gonna do some. So I'll entertain you with some dancing. And there's my sister now with the eggs. I was just entertaining them with my dance.
So we are gonna color eggs with dye. You know, all the eggs coloring stuff. Ready? Okay. Choose your egg.
My egg.
We take our eggs and then choose a color that we want. I'm gonna do blue.
Put it all in.
And I'm gonna do half and
Put
half.
it in.
And Justin is doing a full yellow egg.
Here's
Wow.
my
Keep it in there.
egg.
So
No!
it will get darker.
No! I spilled!
Okay, what's a fun fact, Justin?
A fun fact about
today.
egg coloring that you get to have, you make eggs and you get fun when you get to draw and put stickers on them.
Okay.
Here's my egg. That's all yellow.
Okay, I got half that color.
And if we get mess,
Flip it over
we have napkins
on a different one.
on the floor.
Orange. You can color on yours.
Next.
Yeah. That's okay. Just take another one. Explain what the coloring thing is.
So the coloring is you
Put it in
draw
there.
on a white crayon, and then I'm going to take it out. And here's my Justin.
Justin, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza or macaroni and cheese.
Pizza and macaroni and cheese. Yummy.
This is what I'm going to do. I made it colored. Put a face.
I'm drawing a flower on mine.
Even though you can't see what she's drawing, you're going to see it later once it goes in the color.
Okay, I need to do...
See? You can see his drawing right there on the color.
This one's good. This one I think might be good. The face.
Let me see the faces. Let me see.
Here's all the choices of emojis.
Wow, emoji faces. Oh, the other stickers?
Other stickers, Scooby-Doo.
Mm-hmm.
There's these characters. There's
Oh.
Scooby-Doo with flowers.
Wow.
There's tongue out.
it
and
Oh,
Scooby-Doo
oh,
laughing.
oh, now you can see.
Can you see the... but...
Yeah, but there's a flower. Oh, there. Oh, that's a good spot. Okay. Look at all the fun. There's an egg right there.
I made a turtle
Let me
too.
see. Lee, look at
That
this turtle.
What?
You gotta put it, just leave it in the orange for a while, okay? After it's done.
Oh, I
Did
see
you see it?
I see the turtle. That's cool. And then we got a face. One with a design pattern on it.
That's mine.
Half and half. Orange and blue. And a
Just
yellow
leave
one.
mine for
We have two
This one
more.
we're going to redo because it
We
has
have
a
two
yellow
more.
spill on
Should
it.
I do
So.
this one?
See, so far I have a dripping effect.
We have 7 eggs. 7 eggs.
Then I'll
so
add on the
far.
blue.
We have 7 eggs. 1 more egg. J plus S. Justin plus Stephanie. M plus L. Megan and Leanne. M
Yeah.
plus
I have another YouTube channel called Megan and Leanne. Go check that out. Scooby-Doo. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us make these eggs and hopefully sparked some ideas in your guys' heads. And have a great Easter, and make sure you like this video and go subscribe to us. What else? Oh yeah, and leave us a comment down below any other video ideas. Yeah, I think that's all. Bye.